I can give you another quick one. I can do 1 over alpha squared. I'll quickly do that one. Let's try a new one, a new equation. We're given an equation x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x minus 1 roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Find equation with roots alpha squared, comma, beta squared, comma, gamma squared. Okay, we know how to do this now. It's easy. Let x equal alpha squared, x to the half equals alpha. Okay, so we've got alpha on one side, right? Now, substitute for every occurrence of x which occurs in here, we substitute x to the half. So our new expression is x to the half cubed plus 4 x to the half squared plus 2 x to the half minus 1 equals 0. Sorry, that should have been equals 0 there as well. Okay, this equation now has this equation now, that's to the half. This equation now has roots alpha squared, beta squared, gamma squared. We'll simplify this. That's x to the half times x plus 4x plus 2x to the half minus 1 equals 0. Take out the x to the half in brackets. X to the half into x plus 2 equals 1 minus 4x. Square both sides and we'll get x into x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 1 minus 8x plus 16 x squared, so x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x equals 1 minus 8x plus 16x squared. Gather terms. X cubed minus 12x squared plus 12x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, that's our new equation. This new equation here now has roots alpha squared, beta squared, gamma squared. And you saw how we did it. We simply let x equal alpha squared, get alpha on one side, then for every occurrence of x in this equation here, we substituted x to the half, and that gave us our new equation, which now has roots alpha squared, beta squared, gamma squared. Something for you that perhaps you'd like to do is, we know from this equation here, we know that alpha cubed plus 4 alpha squared plus 2 alpha minus 1 equals 0. Well, if you manipulate this expression here, you should be able to come up with an expression which gives, if we just substitute alpha squared into there, we'd get, I'll do it in the same colour, alpha to the 6th minus 12 alpha to the 4th plus 12 alpha minus 1 equals 0. Well, according to this equation, this must be true because alpha squared is a root of that. Well, what you might like to do is manipulate this expression here, and there's a way of doing it. Basically, you've got to get this onto the other side, get a certain number of terms onto the other side, square both sides, and you should be able to prove from this here that alpha to the 6th minus 12 alpha to the 4th plus 12 alpha minus 1 equals 0. You should be able to prove that just by manipulating this. The hint is, take two terms to this side, I'm not going to tell you which ones, square both sides, and you should get this to fall out for you. Once again, it just proves that this technique works. Something I forgot to say, going back to here, we took the positive x to the half. Often people get confused, they think, oh, it's plus or minus root x. Well, just take the plus root x, because it doesn't matter. If you take the positive solution, it's still going to give you an equation down here which gives you alpha squared as a solution. So don't worry about the plus or minus, just take the positive root of x and substitute in there, and you'll still get the right answer. Okay, thanks very much. I hope that helps you, and I hope you never get stuck on those kind of questions again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.